Cleaning your Metal X printer.
Items you'll need for this are a brush pan, a wire brush, a sheet of paper, lint-free Kim wipes, and optional mineral oil.
First, we'll start with cleaning the print bed and build chamber. As long as you always use a print sheet when printing and use the material pan to catch excess filament when loading new spools, it should not be necessary to clean the print bed beyond removing debris. We recommend brushing debris out of the print chamber weekly to maintain a clean operating environment, and regularly vacuuming the bed and chamber using your HEPA shop vac. Cleaning the touchscreen. The Metal X's capacitive touchscreen will accumulate excess print material around its edges over time. Because the metal material is conductive, this buildup can cause the touchscreen to become unresponsive. To prevent this, you should occasionally clean around the edges of the touchscreen between the screen itself and its metal housing using a folded piece of paper. Cleaning the camera. Over time, the camera mounted in the print chamber will build up wax on its lens, leading to foggy images. If the lens is not cleaned occasionally, the camera's images will cease to be useful for monitoring parts and diagnosing print failures. Note, do not use acetone, solvent from the wash one, or any other harsh solvent to clean the camera lens. Instead, use a dry Kim wipe or other lint-free wipe. It may take some time to fully remove the wax. Alternatively, apply light mineral oil and thoroughly wipe away the oil along the wax buildup. Do not remove the camera or lens from the printer. Cleaning the wiping station. Lengthy pieces of extruded material left on the wiping station brushes can in turn get caught in the print head fan, potentially damaging the unit. You can occasionally clear any excess print material out of the wiping station brushes with a fingertip, knocking the material down into the wiping station itself. Regularly dispose of accumulated material by dumping the contents of the wiping station into an appropriate waste container. Cleaning the build chamber doors. Do not use Windex or other ammonia or alcohol-based cleaners on the polycarbonate doors of the build chamber. Instead, apply light mineral oil and thoroughly wipe the cover clean. Cleaning the print head and nozzles. The print head travels regularly to the wiping station between layers of the print process, removing excess material from the nozzles. We likewise encourage you to clean the nozzles with a brass brush when loading material.